good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. The purpose for making this video is to provide an outlook for what is likely to happen tomorrow, 20th July. We would be discussing our stock watch list. We would be analyzing the index on multiple time frames, and we would be analyzing Nifty options open interest data. So if we analyze Nifty options 22 July weekly expiry contract, here you will see that the highest amount of open interest in calls is currently at 15,800 strike, followed by 16,000 strike, and highest amount of open interest addition in calls has happened in 15,900 strike. So going forward, 15,900 is likely to act as a strong resistance. And if you see the puts, highest amount of puts have been has open interest at 15,700 strike, followed by 15,500 strike. And you will see today highest amount of open interest addition happened in 15,500 strike. So based on the options open interest data for this weekly expiry, we would probably be trading in a 15,900 to 15,500 range. And if you were to see puts, 16,000 strike put, 15,950 strike put, 15,900 strike put, 15,850 strike put, these saw their open interest reduce, which tells us that put option buyers, they booked their profits, and put option writers, they booked their losses, as these options, they became in the money. If we analyze the index on multiple time frames, here you will see that this month market is under control of sellers right now, as it is trading below the opening print of 15,755. Today two new time frames opened, the weekly time frame as well as the daily time frame. So on weekly time frame, below 15,754 levels, we saw sellers coming into market, because at that point of time there was a full time frame continuity, as on monthly as well as the weekly as well as the daily time frame, market was under control of sellers. However, you will see that today we have formed a wide range candlestick. However, it's an indecisive candlestick, so we would have to see tomorrow whether we manage to trade higher and make an attempt to fill this gap, or we break down lower and move towards 15,500 odd levels based on options open interest data. So in terms of price structure, the uptrending structure is definitely broken right now, but in terms of new potential trend, we have to be neutral, because at this point of time multiple scenarios can happen. So based on that, scenario for tomorrow is above 15,752, we can trade toward 15,836 level, 15,871 level, and potentially 15,915 levels. And below today's low, 15,707, we can trade towards 15,672, 15,628, and potentially 15,578 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 15,752 to 15,707, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. Now we're going to be analyzing our stock watch list for tomorrow. The stocks that we have chosen, they have all formed an inside candlestick pattern on the daily time frame. So in Crompton, we'll look for buying opportunity above 477.1 level, as it's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages. And aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below 460 levels. Our next stock is ICICI Securities. It's in an uptrend based on the exponential moving averages. So above 795, we'll look for buying opportunity, and we'll look for selling opportunity below 753 levels in ICICI Securities. Our next stock is NAM India. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and we'll look for buying opportunity above 421 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 400 levels. And our last stock is Wipro. It's in an uptrend based on 5 and 20-day exponential moving averages, and it has formed an inside candlestick today. So we'll look for buying opportunity above 584.1 levels, or we'll look for selling opportunity below 569.9 levels. So all these stocks, they are in an uptrend based on exponential moving averages. So we'll look to enter long positions if high of today's is broken tomorrow. And aggressive traders can also look for selling opportunity below today's low in these four stocks. However, it would be advisable that position size could be half their normal size, as it would be a counter trend trade. Finally, before ending this video, I like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,752 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,915 levels, and below 15,707 levels, we can potentially trade towards 15,578 levels. And broadly speaking, we are in a range of 15,900 to 15,500 based on the overall options open interest data, and the max pain for 22nd July weekly expiry contract has shifted lower to 15,800 from 15,900. And our stock watch list comprises of a daily inside candlestick pattern, and the stocks are Crompton, ICICI Securities, NAM India, and Wipro. So all these stocks, they formed an inside candlestick while the index was down more than 1% today. So we'll look, so these are technically relatively stronger stocks today. So we have to see tomorrow whether they break today's highs or today's lows. And inside candles, they are formed whenever there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. Apart from these stocks, I would be sharing a few stocks which are technically weak, or those stocks that are trading below previous week lows. So I would also be sharing those technically weaker stocks in a blog post around 9:45 p.m. as usual. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you.